One of the toys I remember having was a wind-up train, and we'd put the tracks together and put the engine on the track, and then hooked up the other cars behind it, and then wind up that engine, and there it would go round and round and round and round, and we thought that was very fascinating. Uh, we didn't have any uh, fancy gates or trees or other accoutrements. It was just a plain old oval track, and when the when the train got tired, then we had to rewind it again, and then away it went. So that was our introduction to the railroad.